Steph, that one-handed pass deflected away, and Harkless running it back, but blocked from behind.
Well, you think you have a layup.
Blazers 1 of 9, Warriors 7 of 9. Durant with a right hand.
Yeah, we're still in boxing. Look at that. Say you reach. That's what Aminu did. And he's going to burn you. He's a ball handler, and how he took that ball from left to right and hold free.
Every opportunity he has.
35 points in 39 minutes total in the series.
The lob to JaVale McGee with the right hand spike and the foul. Wow, something else.
A lob on the run from Draymond, perfectly delivered. And McGee just, when someone draws attention from the defenders, it's important to have a 20-point lead, at least one. They're at 21 now.
He's got 21. Steph, another three.
He's unconscious. He's unconscious at this end of a three-point range. I'm not sure this is an advantage for Andre.
Now missing of the post up, but McAdoo soaring in.
Looked like just didn't get up and finish it.
Draymond, you gotta be kidding me.